Hey baby dolls, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna hop right in like we do in every video. So she is already braided down. We're gonna start by putting her cap on. So I put her cap on and I made sure that it fits well on her head. I cut the ear tabs out and I put foundation on it and alcohol. Clean it with alcohol. Then I'm going in with my lace glue. Today we are using Ghost Bond, and we're gonna just place this glue everywhere. Then I'm going to let her sit and dry for 10 minutes before applying her wig. So now we're going to cut her cap off with the razor and start applying her wig. So now I'm applying her wig. I'm just going in and making sure everything fits. I did apply the foundation color to the lace as well. And now we're just going to go in and part out each side and cut out her ear tab so the wig fits well to her head. Okay, so now I'm just going in and cutting her lace off, and then we're gonna do 3 layers of our Ghost Bond glue, and make sure you guys dry it clear and then apply her lace. Okay, y'all see that side that I'm going over again? This is what happens when you don't smooth it out all the way. You're supposed to smooth the glue out all the way. That glue has built up a little, and that is going to show after we lay her lace down. And you're going to see, it's not going to show too bad, but it's going to make that lace look a little lighter than what it is. But I'm going to show y'all how to fix that. Okay, this is what happens. Hairstylists do mess up. We are not perfect, but we can always fix it, and I'm going to show y'all how to fix this. Okay, just keep watching. So now we're starting to apply her lace, and we're just going to tap that lace into that glue. Y'all, I know I did not let my glue dry all the way, so her lace does get a little lighter, but I'm going to show y'all how to fix that, because this happens to every hairstylist at least once in their lifetime. So just wait till the end of the video so I can show y'all how to fix it. So this is me just tapping her lace in. Then I'm going to go in with my comb, and I'm going to continue to press that lace into that glue. And then we're going to go and cut all that excess lace out of there. Y'all see all of that? We don't need that. So now I'm taking my scissors and I'm going in a zigzag motion. Y'all can see me moving the scissors up and down, cutting that lace out. Y'all do not need all that extra lace. It's gonna look real wiggy. It's not gonna look cute, so try to cut it out as much as possible. After we cut all that lace off, we're just going to tap it in. You can use a comb. I'm using the back of my scissors, and then we're just going to tie her hair down. So now I'm going in and I'm sewing her wig down, and then we're just gonna go in and start styling. This is my favorite part. We're about to give her a middle part, and we're gonna hot comb it. Like I say in every video, if you do not have a hot comb, what are you doing? Get you a hot comb. Look at that middle part. Bust down, okay? Okay, so y'all see how her lace is melted, but it doesn't match all the way. This is the part where you want to get some makeup that matches her complexion. I would prefer a powder than a liquid, and tap that into her lace so it can blend. But I'm going to actually do it while I do her baby hairs. So y'all will see me when I'm doing her baby hairs start tapping that powder in, and I'll explain it to y'all again. But right now I'm just sleeking her part. I'm using my wax stick, and we're going to use heat protectant spray and a hot comb to get her laying flat, okay? Okay, y'all, so now we're about to start doing her baby hairs. My client actually loves baby hairs, so she got extra baby hairs for her birthday. I know baby hairs aren't everyone's cup of tea. I know everybody does not like them, and some people like them natural. I do them to my client's liking, so I gave her what she wanted. She paid for it, so I'm gonna give her what she wants. So now I'm just parting it out, and we're gonna part out each side. I do this so the baby hairs can be even on both sides. Well, not baby hairs, edges, okay? So they can be even on both sides, and you're gonna see me do it to the other side as well while we're still over there fleeking her part. And yeah, in this video I'm just really showing y'all how to fix your mistakes when laying a wig, because I know every install does not turn out perfect into the hairstylist liking. Our clients may love them, but sometimes we don't. So just showing y'all ways to clean up after your mistakes that we make. And yeah, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoy this video. But yeah, we're about to do her baby hairs, okay? Yeah. Okay, so now I'm just putting oil on her baby hairs. I do this because I do use Gorilla Snot, and that is gel that flakes up your hair, and we don't want that. So I'm putting the oil on there, and I'm going to tie her down, and I'm going to straighten her hair while her edges are laying. Okay, tip 1, get y'all some black root spray or dark brown root spray, whatever colors you need, and fleek that part out. Her knots did get over bleached a little, so I'm just cleaning that up, and we're going to bust that middle part down. Then I'm going to go in with some concealer and get that part right, and then we're going to start straightening her hair. Okay, so boom, we're getting powder that is her skin color, and putting that, tapping that into that lace. Tap that everywhere. Them baby hairs aren't covering up. Even tap it around or like into the baby hairs to fix your mistakes, y'all. This helps so much. Like, look at that. Y'all see the difference? Okay, now I'm just going in with some more oil, making those baby hairs a little thinner and just combing them out. We want soft baby hairs. We don't want them to be hard and crunchy, okay? So now I'm just going in and making these final touches, bumping up the front of her hair, and just flicking everything out so her install can be bomb. Like, look at this. Like, yes, yes, y'all. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope I helped y'all out. If y'all have any questions, let me know. This is a 150% density wig from my hairline, Raw Wigs. So yeah, link will be in the description box, and I love y'all, baby dolls. Bye.